Are you tired of the hassle and guesswork that comes with traditional carpet cleaning? Say goodbye to the days of multiple buttons, solution measuring, and endless frustration. The Hoover SmartWash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner is here to simplify your life and revolutionize the way you clean your carpets. In this review, we'll explore what sets this powerful machine apart, why it's a game changer for busy households, and how it can transform your cleaning routine for the better. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Effortless cleaning, guaranteed results. Let's start with what matters most: cleaning performance. The Hoover SmartWash Plus takes the guesswork out of carpet cleaning with its automatic cleaning technology. Simply push forward to clean and pull back to dry. No triggers, no buttons, just seriously simple and seriously powerful cleaning. With Flex-Force power brushes that gently remove deep embedded dirt and pet messes, your carpets will look and feel brand new in no time. Streamlined design, maximum convenience. Gone are the days of wrestling with bulky, complicated carpet cleaners. The SmartWash Plus features an intuitive auto-clean motion sensing design that eliminates the need for manual adjustments. Say goodbye to the hassle of figuring out which buttons to press. This machine does the work for you, so you can focus on what matters most. Optimal cleaning every time. With Auto Mix technology, you can trust that your carpets are getting the deepest clean possible. This innovative feature precisely mixes and dispenses the right amount of solution for the cleanest results, ensuring that no dirt or grime is left behind. And thanks to Auto Dry with Heat Force technology, your floors will be dry in no time, so you can get back to enjoying your space faster than ever before. Pet-friendly features. For pet owners, keeping carpets clean can feel like an uphill battle. But with the Hoover SmartWash Plus, tackling pet messes has never been easier. The included 2-in-1 pet tool and stair tool make it a breeze to clean up after your furry friends, while the powerful extraction capabilities ensure that even the toughest stains and odors are no match for this machine. What's included? As if all these features weren't enough, the Hoover SmartWash Plus comes with everything you need to tackle even the toughest cleaning jobs. From the 8FT hose to the accessory storage bag, you'll have everything you need to keep your home looking its best. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Hoover SmartWash Plus Automatic Carpet Cleaner is a game changer for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine and achieve professional quality results at home. With its effortless cleaning technology, streamlined design, and pet-friendly features, it's a must-have for busy households everywhere. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to seriously simple cleaning with the Hoover SmartWash Plus. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.